I hope you enjoyed that a little bit. Just give you a preview. Preview is really the big deal here. This is one big spectacular sight. You can come here at least once every other year. Yeah, probably not that many times, but enough times to enjoy one of the greatest spectacular things that men ever built. This is one beautiful piece of architecture. And as you can see, I am wearing my shades. And I shall reveal Robin Deschamps. Yes, I am here by myself, nice cool breeze, enjoying the sights of the Hoover Dam. And like I said, this is one big, spectacular undertaking. Because when you get here, they have security here, U.S. security. Because every time I go through here, they do ask you questions, they do look over your vehicle, and that's every time I come here since 9/11. But this is one beautiful, spectacular piece of art which should be protected. And this is probably one of the only places where you can actually walk across the border. And if you're in your car and you have on your cell phone device with the directional on it, they'll tell you that you're in Arizona. And when you come back, they'll tell you you're back in Nevada. Really strange. Parking here right now is $10 in the structure. They do have free parking going up on the Arizona side, but a little bit too far to walk. So since I am used to going into the parking structure on the Nevada side, which has a gift shop, I decided to park there. Well, with that in mind, hope everyone have a great day. And please take care of your families. Take care of your pets, as I always hear. Take care of any significant others in your family. And as I am being redundant like everybody else and copying like everybody else, I'll see you later. Remember, I'm from California and I'm in Nevada, my second home, almost away from home. Talk to you later.